Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about an important Thai water innovation called Chai Phattana water turbine. The Chai Phattana water turbine was invented by His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej, King Raman IX of Thailand. This turbine is designed to help treat wastewater and improve water quality in canals, ponds, and natural water sources. The water principle is simple. The turbine rotates and adds oxygen into the water. When more oxygen is added, microorganisms can break down organic waste more efficiently. As a result, the water becomes cleaner, smells better, and supports aquatic life. There are several benefits of the Chai Phattana water turbine. First, it is low cost and easy to maintain. Second, it uses simple mechanical energy and does not harm the environment. Finally, it helps community improve water quality and quality of life. This innovation shows how simple technology can create sustainable solutions for the environment. Thank you for listening.